Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to hold our power button, and once the option shows up, you want to select power off. Now the device will turn off, and once it does, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the TECNO logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up, and this will then show you the Android with no connection. Once you see this, you want to hold your power button and press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. Now in here, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which I believe will do the same thing as the option below, which is Fastboot Mode. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB, or nope, this one is just SD card. We have Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. So those are all the options we have here. Now I'm gonna actually, for the purpose of testing this out, just so you all know, select a Reboot to Bootloader. Now typically if I wanted to leave this, I would just stick with the first option, Reboot System Now, which will take me to Android, but just for the research purposes, we're gonna go with the bootloader, or at least I am. I'm gonna confirm it just to figure out if we actually have bootloader in here. And we don't, we have fast boot mode, so my assumption was correct. Anyway, I'm gonna hold the power button now till the screen turns off. And if I remember correctly, it will turn on its own. There we go. So it's now going to boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.